Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Tuesday, September 9th, 2014. It's now 2:03 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets closed down. September is supposed to be a down month. Are we seeing a self-fulfilling prophecy? The S&P closed down. The last 3 days' Dojis gave us a warning of a potential downward move. The 2000 level continues to be a serious resistance point. We do remain in the long-term uptrend channel though. The resistance level is 2043. Support is at 1900 as seen by the green oval. The NASDAQ closed down after hitting a new near-time high. Price remains in our medium-term uptrend channel. The next target is the 223% fib extension level at 4148. Support is at 3737. The US dollar closed down. This was after being up during the trading day. We don't have confirmation that the 22.34 resistance point has failed yet. The next target is 22.99. Support is at 21.6 as seen by the green oval. Here's our ADX analysis chart for Tuesday, September 9th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and our strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 2 strong currencies and 2 weak currencies. The qualified pairs are the Euro Canadian dollar, the Euro US dollar, the Pound Canadian dollar, and the Pound US dollar. Here's our trade summary chart for September. For open trades, our carryover trade from August on the Euro US dollar remains open, and we're short 2 micros. Target number 2 is 1.2746, and the stop loss remains at 1.3031. As for new orders, no new orders were placed today. Let's now look at some price charts. First, we'll look at our open trade on the Euro US dollar. We're still short 2 micros. Target number 2 is 1.2746, and our stop loss is at 1.3031. Next, we'll look at the price charts for our 3 qualified pairs today. The first being the Euro Canadian dollar. As we can see, this has been in a long-term downtrend channel. We would be looking at a bearish trade, but recently price has been consolidating. Our second pair is the Pound Canadian dollar. We've broken out from this sideways channel and price has been continuing to go down. We would be looking at a bearish trade, but again we see some consolidation above the low. The third pair is the Pound US dollar. This also broke out through the bottom of a sideways channel and we would be looking at a bearish trade. Let's also look at a couple of the popular Forex pairs to trade. The first is the US dollar yen. This is broken out through the top of a sideways channel and price continues to increase. And last is the pound yen. This pair remains in a sideways channel. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com. There you can request a free trading guide. My podcasts are on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1. The time of day to do the daily review. 2. Review of the 2 indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.